She's 18 and she hasn't even shifted yet.
Did you really think I would spend the rest of my life bonded to a mate who can't even shift? I reject you as my mate.
Was invaded by the Blackwood Pack.
People call him the Beast.
I'm Nolan Fenrir, Alpha of the Blackwood Pack.
You were just pretending to be my friend when you're the one who killed my mom.
Wait,
Mate, but that's impossible.
my bond.
But I don't even know your name.
I'll show you who I am.
I'm supposed to hate him, so why do I feel this way?
You are a vampire wolf hybrid.
Fated mates.
I'm a half-vampire hybrid freak.
The whole pack is going for that girl's head.
Nothing's going to happen to you. You'll be safe, I promise. Pack your things, Storm. Move in with me.
Aren't you gonna help?
Oh, so Defect Daisy can talk? Talk to me again when you can actually shift. I only speak to real wolves.
Be nice, Mila.
I'm sorry, Alpha Scott. I promise I'll be a good girl and behave.
Oh, I'm not the alpha just yet. That won't be official until the winter solstice celebration tonight.
Then I'll see you tonight then.
Happy birthday, Daisy.
Thank you. Your 18's off to a great start, as you can see.
Well, tonight'll be special. That's a promise from the future Alpha.
Moon Goddess, if you're listening, please give me my wolf. And please let me and Scott finally make things official tonight.
Hi, birthday girl. We've been looking everywhere for you.
How about solstice celebration for a poor tiny pack like Eastwood, huh?
We're not here to party, Elias. We're here to investigate.
Have you guys seen Scott?
Oh, don't worry, hon. Alpha's got a surprise for you real soon. But first...
What is this?
Get her.
There. Now you can pretend you're a real wolf just like us.
She's 18 and she hasn't even shifted yet. The moon goddess must hate her.
It's probably because she's an inbred little mutt. That's why she doesn't have a dad either.
Smile.
Give us a little howl, birthday girl.
Yes, I have the records. No, the whole thing is good.
Excuse me.
Nolan! Nolan, are you there? Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
What the hell happened? Did you get caught?
No, nothing.
I have to find Scott. He's Alpha now. He'll take care of me. Scott? You're cheating on me?
Daisy, listen, I didn't mean for you to find out this way.
Find what out?
Goddess, how do you go 6 months without knowing your boyfriend's fucking someone else?
6 months? Tell me what's going on.
Oh, baby, I think we should tell her everything. Poor thing needs a shower. She reeks of rotten milk.
I want Mila to be my mate. I want Mila to be my mate.
No, but you're my mate. I'm the one you're bonded to.
How could someone like you ever be mates with the Alpha? You're no better than a human. You don't belong here.
Hey, I'm the Alpha now. Don't forget. And I won't tolerate any disrespect towards me or my future mate. Be real, Daisy. Did you really think I would spend the rest of my life bonded to a mate who can't even shift? Who doesn't even have a wolf? I'd rather die than live with that shame. Daisy Storm, by the moon goddess's light, I reject you as my mate. Accept it, and the pain ends.
But I won't be mated again, Scott, please. You told me you loved me.
Come on, Days. Can you really not tell the difference between love and pity?
I accept your rejection.
This entire pack's in chaos. They need order.
Well, you got enough proof so we can invade them now. Come on, let's go.
Birthday girl, we're not done playing with you yet.
Please, help me.
Is that the same girl?
You go ahead first. I'll catch up.
Nolan, where are you going?
Oh, hey, handsome. I haven't seen you around the pack.
You okay?
Wow, little Daisy Red Riding Hood found herself a big bad wolf to hide behind. Relax, dude. It was just a joke.
I don't see anybody laughing. Did they do anything to you?
They pushed me into a room and they took pictures of me.
Leave her alone, or you'll both be leaving this party in tears too.
This is pack business, outsider. Who do you think you are?
Lay a finger on her again. You'll find out exactly who the hell I am. Believe me, you'll both regret it. Sorry you had to see that. Who are you? Why do I hear her voice in my head? Is she my mate?
Daisy. Hell, God, I almost shot you. What the hell are you doing here, kid?
Grandpa, I abandoned the pack.
Get in here. Quick. It's okay, sweetie. Oh, getting better. Come a long way, kid.
It's not enough. I need to get stronger if I want to be able to shift someday, right?
Right.
Have you heard from Mom yet? I know she's still mad at me for leaving, but she wouldn't just stop answering my calls.
Eastwind was invaded by the Blackwood pack. And they've just taken over.
What? Where was Scott? He's the Alpha.
Yeah, he fled. Little coward that he is. Your mom. She's gone. Daisy, your mom's gone.
No. No, I just talked to her on the phone last week. She can't be.
I know. No. One more thing. The Blackwood Alpha demands that we move back into pack territory.
The Blackwood Alpha. Who is he?
His name is Alpha Nolan Fenrir.
Did I come at a bad time?
Your report, Beta.
Last scouting party came back. No reported signs of vampire activity outside the west perimeter.
Look, keep looking. They're hiding somewhere, okay? Look, when we took those files 6 moons ago, it proved Eastwind was at least talking to those bloodsuckers before we took over.
Nolan, come on. It's been months since the last sighting. And even if they were planning something, they don't have the numbers. They're dying out.
Do you know what happened last time we let our guard down? I won't do that again. She's here.
So look who decided to show their pathetic face here again after abandoning our pack.
Her grandpa used to be a rogue wolf, way before we were even born. Maybe it runs in the family.
Is family a sensitive topic since,
At least my mom stayed to defend her pack, unlike your Alpha.
Are you talking about my mate? The one who rejected you? Oh, Daisy, just because you go practice at Peepaw's cabin doesn't make you any more of a real wolf. You are still as weak and useless as you have always been.
That's enough. Infighting's against the rules, ladies.
Oh, we were just welcoming Daisy back home.
It's almost past curfew. You should all be indoors before sundown.
You're the guy from the solstice.
And you're the one who is drowning in tears and egg yolk. You didn't tell me your name.
Sorry, it's Daisy. Daisy Storm. Kinda corny, I know.
Daisy Storm. I like that. Suits you.
I'm guessing you're part of the Blackwood pack? So you must know Alpha Nolan?
She doesn't know I'm him.
You can say that.
Is he as much of a monster as people say?
A monster? Why does she think I'm a monster?
What do you mean?
He's the reason my mom is dead.
And do you have any proof he's responsible?
Well, no, but I've heard the rumors. People call him the Beast, the Alpha that invades and devours packs on a whim. He's nothing like you. You're different. Kind. Thank you for walking me home. No one's been this nice to me in a long time. Oh, I never got your name.
You're home late.
Sorry, Grandpa. Lost track of time.
Fine.
Report to the main gym tomorrow for 7 a.m. Alpha Nolan.
You gave Alpha Asshole my number?
He has everybody's number. He's very hands-on that way. The Alphas have invoked a curfew for the whole pack. Now, you're not going to be able to go out again this late at night.
You expect me to listen to the Alpha who basically killed my mom?
Daisy, hold on now. Daisy.
I'm going to bed. Night.
Damn it. Well, I thought we had more time.
Elias, reopen the investigation of Airstorm's death. Apparently her daughter thinks I'm responsible. Thanks.
That girl Daisy, she really thinks I killed her mom?
You? What are you doing here?
What am I doing here? What are you doing here? It's past curfew.
What? But I was just at my house.
She smells like
He smells like...
meat.
mate, but that's impossible.
You smell divine. Like you belong to me. I feel it too. Our bond.
But I don't even know your name.
I'll show you who I am. You want to know me?
Yes.
Then ask for it.
Please. Please.
Please what? What do you want?
You. I need you.
Was that just a dream?
Shit, I'm late!
Uh-oh, looks like Daisy Duke's late for training. The new Alpha is gonna rip your head off for that cupcake.
Me? You're not even participating.
That's because I have special privileges as Eastwind Luna, and soon I'll be Blackwood Luna as well.
All right, everyone listen up. Next phase of training, we'll be sparring with weapons. Grab a staff and partner up. Daisy Storm, is it?
You better let her sit this one out, Beta Elias. Poor thing doesn't even have her wolf yet.
I can still spar. My grandfather was a former beta. He trained me himself.
Oh, isn't that so cute? Her dusty old pop-pop taught her how to wave a stick around.
That's very nice, Miss Storm, but you still don't have a partner. Ah! It's great for you to join us.
Him! I'll spar with him. Him! I'll spar with him.
Did she just challenge the Alpha?
Is she brain dead? He's totally going to fucking kick her ass. We should have brought popcorn.
Are you sure?
What, did Psycho Alpha ban co-ed sparring too? I still need to get back at you for disappearing on me yesterday.
Daisy. Still so much for you to learn. For example, you can't talk to me like that.
Who are you?
I'm Nolan Fenrir, Alpha of the Blackwood Pack.
You're Nolan?
Alpha Nolan. But you can keep calling me Psycho Alpha if you'd like.
You lied to me. You were just pretending to be my friend when you're the one who killed my mom.
I didn't lie.
Save it. I'm getting out of here.
You're part of my pack. You can't leave until I say so.
Of course. I'd never dare disobey the beast Alpha.
We'll train that attitude out of you soon enough.
What are you talking about?
You said you wanted to spar, right? What's the matter? You're not scared, are you?
Give me everything you got, Alpha Nolan.
Not bad. Guess the old man did teach you a thing or two, huh?
Actually, I learned that from my mom.
A little lesson. If you're gonna survive, don't bring emotions into a fight. And one more thing. Don't ever disrespect me again.
By the goddess! She's a vampire!
Oh my god!
Daisy.
After all these years, my daughter has finally awakened. Lucian! You ought to bring her to me.
I thought you'd never ask. It's a disaster, Nolan. Everyone is in a shock. All right, the whole pack is calling for that girl's head.
Maybe I'll give it to him.
Alpha.
She is a vampire. They are our enemy. Did you forget that?
Come on, Nolan. You saw that girl's face. She was just as scared as the rest of us. So what do you suggest, huh? That we execute her?
No.
Look, she's
A vampire, but she's part of our pack, okay? She's one of us, so I'll keep her here. I'll keep her safe.
How? How? She's got a massive target on her back.
I'll figure it out.
Grandpa? Is this your bed? Why am I here? Where's my grandpa?
Answer my question first, and I'll tell you where the old man is. Did you, or did you not know about your powers?
Powers, what do you... I shifted, I think, but it wasn't into a wolf. I don't know how that happened.
You don't expect me to believe that. She doesn't look like she's lying. Officially, I sent your grandfather to the border to help secure our perimeter. Unofficially, that was his punishment for keeping the truth from us.
What truth?
Daisy. Well, I'm sorry, kid. I wanted to tell you the truth. When your mother was your age, she ran away for a year. When she came back, well, she had you. Well, she wouldn't tell anyone who the father was. But when you were born, I knew you were different. You are a vampire-wolf hybrid.
Finished? Good.
I'm a monster? What are you gonna do now, Alpha? Kick me out? Leave me to the wolves, literally?
Nothing's going to happen to you. You'll be safe, I promise.
Just how are you gonna keep your word? Basically, everyone out there wants me dead.
Simple. Pack your things, Storm. You're moving in with me. This is the Alpha's private office. But while you're here, let's go over the ground rules. You'll be staying here for the foreseeable future, so you are prohibited from going anywhere except to school and back from school. And you'll be staying in the Alpha's master bedroom.
You want me to sleep with you?
Well, you could stay in the closet if you'd like.
Why don't you do that then? More fitting for a prisoner.
You have no idea what I do to my prisoners, do you? Especially those who drink blood.
Why won't you just let me leave? It's what everyone wants anyway.
You don't know who you are or what you're capable of. Neither do you.
Goddess, I cannot get away from you no matter where I go. Out in the pack, in this house, in my dreams.
Dreams? What are you talking about? You had the same dream, didn't you?
I don't know what you're talking about.
No, you're lying. You felt the same thing, didn't you?
I feel nothing. Not after everything you've done. If you'll excuse me, Alpha Nolan, I have to get ready for school.
Good morning, Miss Daisy. My name is Gemma. I've been assigned as your personal assistant starting today. Shall I run your morning bath for you?
Thanks, but I can bathe myself just fine. You can go water the plants or something.
Sure.
Morning, Gemma. Have you introduced yourself to Daisy yet?
Yes, Alpha Nolan. Oh, but sir, Miss Daisy is...
By the goddess! She's a vampire!
There, now you can pretend you're a real wolf just like us.
Eastwind was invaded by the Blackwood Pack. And your mom, she's gone. The Blackwood Alpha demands that we move back into Pack territory.
Who is he?
His name is Alpha Nolan Fenrir.
She doesn't know I'm him.
You were just pretending to be my friend when you're the one who killed my mom.
Daisy, I didn't kill your mother.
I don't know what I am anymore.
There is no force that can take away the bond of true fated mates.
I'm a half-vampire hybrid freak.
Nothing's going to happen to you. You'll be safe, I promise.